internet sources for the latest city weather information. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is yelling off. For your protection, move to an interior. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for East Tennessee. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, simulcasting from Post Chartres in Knoxville on WXK 46 and on WNG 732 located.